today we're going to be cleaning up the silicone off the frame rail and making it look all smooth and nice. And then we're going to be installing the air box I just got. And also, special shout out to Jonathan who sent me this radiator cover for the car. Go check out his channel on YouTube. It's called Stupid Fast. He's got a 2015 Mustang GT that he's working on. He also got a Fox body, twin turbos. He's got some cool content on there. So check it out, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and thank you for all the tape. And also we're gonna be driving this car today, so keep watching. Alright, so I got this angle grinder. I have the 6 grit on. And remember, safety first. Alright, so I'm gonna try and clean the bottom part up with this tool here. Alright, so we're gonna start bonding this. Just gonna scuff off all this excess paint, this overspray. Alright, so we got the Bondo on there. We're gonna wait 20 to 30 minutes and then we're gonna sand it down.
Alright, so we just finished up sanding the Bondo. It's not the best, but it's way better than it was before.
And this side, smooth. This side, almost smooth. And now I'm gonna grab the acetone, clean this up a little bit, and then paint it over with this. The reason I got this is because it kind of matches. Okay, it's all clean now. Now we're just gonna cover all this up and then start priming it. Alright, so I just got everything else covered up. Now we're just gonna hit it with that primer. This Rust-Oleum metallic color. Similar, close enough. Okay, this is after a couple of coats. This is the painted side. This is the original side. And they match. Now I'm gonna put the front support bar. Okay, now that I got the front end on, now I'm gonna try and get the fender on, and then align it with the hood, and then get the radiator in there. Alright, so now that we have the front end pieces installed, we're gonna start working on the interior of the car. As you can see from the last episode, we took the interior part to get to the SRS module, which is right here. And I already got the SRS module shipped back to me. It was super quick. It was like a 3-day turnaround. But before we start, I would like to thank Thomas Bailey for giving me a heads up about the seatbelt pre-tensioner that you have to check when you install the SRS module, or else I'm pretty sure it's gonna roll code again. So since it didn't blow up, I'm gonna go ahead and install the airbag and the SRS module. So let's start. So basically, there is 5 bolts, 1 here and 1 here, and 3 on the other side. And after that, you can just pull it out and then replace it with the new one. Check that out. Alright, now let's get the SRS module installed. Almost done with the interior. What's up, Miguel?
What's up, man? We're going for a little test drive right now.
It's driving. Man, that thing sounds mean, Miguel. Dude, how do you feel?
It's running really nice.
Is it faster than your Fox body?
Yep.
Dude, it sounds so freaking nice.
In the upcoming video, we're deciding on the paint on this car and also getting the rear bumper and the spoiler.
Wait, what?
The spoiler.
What kind of spoiler?
The GT350 spoiler.